Okay guys, let's get out of here. Go to Kai Bae Beach. All right guys, here we go. White Sand Beach. Real by KC Resort, White Sand Beach, Kai Bae Beach. Let's go. All right, let's go guys. This is White Sand Beach area. We're leaving right now. White Sand Beach. We are out. We're going to Kai Bae Beach. It's a lot more touristy, guys. It's a lot more touristy and a lot more things to do. Let's go check it out. Let's go. Well guys, it looks like a storm's rolling in. I really hope not. We've got about 3 kilometers to go. Let's hope rain does not come, guys. We're still at White Sand Beach. We're leaving right now. Look at these places on the right, the left. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Oh shoot, yeah, okay. Here's the grocery store guy, Macro on the left if you need to get food, water, groceries, anything you need right here on the left of White Sand Beach. Here's the 7-Eleven on the left, White Sand Beach. You have Thai Bank on the right hand side, and now we're going up this mountain. Okay guys, on the left here's a bus station. This is the bus station here. So if you need to grab it, it's White Sand Beach on left hand side as you're headed towards Kai Bae Beach. There's a bus station if you need to get anywhere. Haircut place on the left. There's a fucking car wash place over there. This is a roofing truck. I'm a roofer. All right, we got this man standing here. Let's check it out. Hello, how are you? The hospital on the left, Bangkok Hospital on the left, guys. Here's this lady. Hello, how are you? No answer, it's okay. Okay, leaving White Sand Beach now. Service right here, guys, just in case you need to do something. Middle of nowhere. Let's see what they're doing. Hello, very good. What do you just clean it? Yeah, yeah. Good job, man. Soy.
Come and visit. We have a food.
Okay, tomorrow. Thank you. We got a pool, guys. Let's go tomorrow. Here's a place on the way you can stay. 595 baht a night. That's about $15, $16, $18. Looks like the storm's coming in, guys. We've got to hurry up here. We got Big C Market on the left. That's a big supermarket. And we're going up the hill here. We're almost to Kai Bae Beach. We're halfway there. We got some nice street art right here on the left. Nice. Okay guys, I decided to go off into this little path, just checking this out real quick, and we'll do a U-turn. Oh, somebody's home. This is an incredible journey here on this jungle trip. We'll get out of here, but thank you for letting me see your home. Look at these trees, guys. Wow, look at that. That is incredible. Okay, continue on. Then you have this door right here on the left, in case you need anything. This is the ambulance station, guys. I actually have been here before. I was here before when I was injured. I had broken ribs. I had to stop here, and they actually they helped me. I wonder if they remember me, guys. Should I ask? Yes, we should. Yeah, we're going to ask. Hello. How are you? All right. Do you remember me? You remember me? I had all the broken ribs. I'd walk 2 years ago. Dip. No? Okay. Do you remember me with the broken ribs? I walk. I was walking here 2 years ago with all the broken ribs. Do you remember me? No? In the ambulance? Saved me? You guys helped me? Yeah, I know, I remember you. Thank you. I'm okay. traveling around. Oh, I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to survive. Yeah. All right, bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay guys, we found a little Buddhist temple. Let's check it out. I'm really not sure. Never mind. It's a hotel. That is a hotel. Looks like a nice one. Real quick. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's go. This is the name of that hotel. Just in case you guys were wondering. He's saying bye-bye. There's police up here. Let's hope it's not a checkpoint. Got this water park in the middle of nowhere. Nobody's here. Huh, interesting. Right across the street. I guess this is a good one, guys. Koh Chang Resort and Spa. Koh Chang Paradise and Spa. There are a lot of scooter rental places, guys, so you do not need to rush to get a scooter. Hey, we're now at the Kung Prao Resort and Spa in Koh Chang. Koh Chang seafood to the right. Getting closer, guys, getting closer. Just got passed by him. Oh, fruit stand, we should have got that. Should we turn around or keep going? There's a lady selling stuff. Hi. Hi, you sell things on the road. Beautiful. That's good. D. Soy. Narak ma. Okay, very good. Thank you, bye-bye. Beautiful. Soy ma. Okay. Here comes the rain, guys. Here comes the rain. We have to hurry up. You've got a Thai cooking school right here, though. Guys, there's a sign for the waterfalls to the left. There are waterfalls to the left. We'll have to go check that out after we check into this new hotel. We're almost to Kai Bae Beach, guys. It looks like the storms are rolling in. Look at those clouds above us. We are getting closer. The dog's just chilling on the side of the road. ATV monster vehicle rentals right here and take it up the hills, up the mountain. Koh Chang Tropical Resort, straight ahead. Dot and dash bar, don't know, okay. I think there's a temple on the right. That sure is. Wat Klong Prao Temple, Buddhist temple on the right. We had to make sure we were going the right way, and we are. Not much further, guys. About 2 kilometers. Okay, it's almost like we're in New York City, baby. New York City. Let's see that street art they've got going on here. Not bad, not bad. We used to make it. We used to make it with some friends. You know, if you're out there watching, you know. Spies. I wonder if he's out there still, man. Spies 1. Are you out there? Those are some good people. Heist. Yeah, don't forget, big dog. Breakfast, food, coffee. That's all you need to see. You'll stop eating. Okay. Rainforest spot says straight ahead. Look at this stuff, guys. Look at the mountainside. Let's see these. Sea view, chill. Chalet. You got a little beach chair here if you want to sit and chill and watch the traffic. Let's go. We're almost there, guys. This is the walking street where all the bars are area. And then other video. Okay guys, Kai Bae Beach, we made it. These are all the small beach shops right here. Our hotel is right around the corner up here on the beach. This is right on the coastline. All right, we'll see you at the hotel here in a minute. I think this is where we turn. There's a sign. Kai Bae Beach Resort, I don't know. Let's go for it. What do we have here? Hello. Okay, and then you go down this alley, I guess. There's houses on the right and left, and it's pretty neat. I don't know what's going on. Oh, look, Kai Bae Beach Resort. Oh yeah, we made it. It looks like we might have made it, guys. Pretty sure we did. Wow, look at that, guys. We did make it. Payoff. Okay, the goal are these 5 islands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to swim to them all, guys. We'll see you. Let's go check in and get ready.